In the fourth industrial revolution, where tech reigns supreme, modern science soars to new heights. Software, websites, and machines are now indispensable allies, conquering problems once deemed insurmountable by humans. To empower the tech-savvy innovators of today and tomorrow, we proudly introduce Innodemy, your gateway to cutting-edge knowledge and skills. Innodemy provides you with the finest lectures and course materials on basic programming, web design and development, software development, networking, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many more. Besides, after every courses you will get certificate and course materials. So, why are you waiting for? Join Innodemy today. For more update, give a like to our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/fb.innodemy, and follow on Instagram, www.instagram.com/innodemy-acc.